Welcome back. Well, milder temperatures in the forecast, plenty of clouds tomorrow. Southerly breeze out ahead of our next weather maker that gets here Saturday. Showers and storms return, perhaps a low-end severe weather threat. We'll get to that in just a bit. As we take a look at the water vapor imagery, we see our next upper-level system rounding the base of a trough. Going to energize that subtropical jet stream, and all the clouds that you see across Mexico and Texas, they're going to be edging eastward, so the cloud cover will be on the increase tomorrow. Meanwhile, back to the north and west. More late season snows. Actually, it's meteorological spring as of March 1st, but or we could call it early meteorological spring snows to the north and west. But for us, high pressure dominating now, but that pressure gradient is going to tighten and move eastward, so that means it's going to be a breezy day tomorrow. And we see that in the model forecast. Overnight tonight will hold near 50. That's about 10 degrees milder than last night, at least in Lafayette. And then tomorrow, a mostly cloudy day, but we'll see a few intervals of sunshine. Here comes a frontal system with one low pressure system, but that front kind of just stalls out, and this could set the stage for some fog tomorrow night into Saturday morning, and then scattered showers and thunderstorms developing during the course of the day in the warm sector, where there could be an isolated storm or two that could produce strong gusty winds, maybe some hail. Here's that low pressure system that'll ride right through Louisiana, so rain chances staying with us through Saturday evening, but then we'll clear out. Well, it'll dry out starting Sunday, but we may not clear out until the latter part of the afternoon, if not, of course, Monday, once the new work and school week starts. As for the severe weather risk, the Storm Prediction Center actually putting us in, and we're hatched in for a marginal risk, just a level 1 out of 5 for an isolated severe storm that could be capable of hail and or damaging winds. So we'll watch it. We're not overly concerned, but of course, this time of year, you got to watch every weather system. It is March after all, and this is the time of year we get our severe weather. As for rainfall, here's the Euro model. Not looking at a whole lot. Most of us get an inch or less of rain. Most of the showers will be moving along, so we're not expecting any flooding issues. So for tonight, another cool one, but not as cold as last night. Some 10 degrees milder, mid-40s for northern portions of Acadiana, upper 40s to near 50 along the I-10 corridor, and pretty much the same down along the coast. Then tomorrow, nice warm-up temperatures getting into the mid to upper 70s, 78 in Ville Platte, 77 Opelousas, and upper 70s for the I-10 corridor, and the same down along the coast, exception being Cameron by the cooler water there. As for that fog situation, we're good on visibility through Friday morning, but look what happens Friday night, Saturday morning. We're going to get maybe some sea fog moving in, and then we'll see that frontal boundary trying to get rid of that fog along with the scattered showers and thunder showers that we're expecting in the forecast. So fair and not as chilly tonight. 50 is going to be your overnight low. Enough of a south breeze to not only hold up the temperature, but maybe to humidify the air, where we might see some patchy ground fog in the open fields. Then for tomorrow, clouds coming in. It'll become mostly cloudy. It'll get breezy, warmer, some intervals of sunshine though. Upper 70s to near 80 for the high, with those gusty southwesterly winds by late in the day. Moving into the 10-day forecast we go. We'll go with rain chance at about 80% for Saturday. Again, marginal severe weather threat. Hopefully sun by Sunday afternoon, and then going into next week looking good. And oh, by the way, clocks spring forward 1 hour as we head late Saturday night into Sunday, where our new sunrise time will be at 7:25 and the sun will be setting at 7:12, and we're gaining about 12 minutes every week for daylight as we go forward through March into April. And maybe another chance of shower storms Wednesday, and another one next Saturday, the following Saturday, and that one could come with severe weather as well. It is that time of year. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.